Why do you yawn when someone else does? You are not tired. You are not bored. But the second you see it, your brain copies it, and you cannot stop it. Your brain has mirror neurons. They fire when you see someone do something, as if you were doing it yourself. When someone yawns, your mirror neurons yawn too. But here is what is really strange. The closer you are to someone, the faster you catch their yawn. Best friends, almost instant. Complete strangers? You might not yawn at all. Scientists think contagious yawning is a test of empathy. Your brain is measuring how bonded you are to the people around you. The stronger the bond, the faster it spreads. Every time you catch a yawn, your brain is saying, I feel what you feel, and someone near you is about to do it again, so why